Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that he spent one night in the house of his aunt Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha. At night he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, performed brief ablution from an old hanging water skin. Describing the brief ablution, Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam used less water while performing ablution. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, I got up and did what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did. I then stood on his left side to perform prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon got me to his right side from behind his back. After performing the prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam lay down and went to sleep until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam started snoring. Then Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu came and intimated him of the Fajr prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon went out and led them in the morning prayer without performing the ablution. Sufyan says leading the prayer without performing ablution is only his speciality, because we have got a hadith that the eyes of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sleep, but his heart does not sleep. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1790.